There's a moment at every trade show that decides your reputation, and it's already over by the time the doors open. Your competitors see it. Your prospects see it. Your CEO sees it. A booth that isn't ready makes your entire strategy look unready, because the show isn't won on the floor. It's won months earlier. And almost nobody plans that far back. Miss the venue deadlines, and you're paying premium freight, rush labor, last-minute electrical bite for a booth that still looks rushed. So here's what the teams who look effortless actually do. They lock the plan early. Right footprint, right timeline, every detail handled before setup day even begins. No scramble, no surprises. You handle the strategy. We handle the booth that makes everyone say, you nailed it. The full setup timeline is in the link. Build the show they'll remember.